Welcome back to ASP NET SQL Academy. In part 2 of our Bootstrap series, we will walk through a step-by-step guide to adding Bootstrap to an ASP.NET Web Forms project. Let us get started. Today, you will learn how to integrate Bootstrap using different methods, set it up properly in your project, and test it with a simple web form to see Bootstrap styles in action. The easiest way to use Bootstrap is via CDN. Just copy and paste the style sheet and script links to your head section, usually inside the master page. This gives you the latest version without downloading anything. If you prefer working offline or want more control, you can download Bootstrap, add the CSS to your content folder and JS to the script folder, then link them in your master page. Another popular way is using NuGet inside Visual Studio. Just search for Bootstrap, install it, and the files will be placed in the correct folders. You can start using it right away. Whichever method you choose, be sure to add the Bootstrap CSS and JS links to your site.master file. This ensures all pages using this master page will inherit the Bootstrap styles and components. Now, create a test web form and apply Bootstrap classes. For example, add a button control and use button primary as the CSS class. Run the page to see Bootstrap styled button in action. Here is a simple example using Bootstrap's grid system. This layout splits the page into two columns, one for each half of the screen. You can easily design responsive layouts this way. Some common mistakes include forgetting to add Bootstrap links in the master page, using incorrect class names, or mixing Bootstrap versions. Double check these if styles don't appear as expected. To summarize, choose one method to add Bootstrap, link it in your master page, and start using Bootstrap classes. You will instantly see your web forms looking more modern and responsive. In the next part of this series, we will dive into creating responsive layouts using the Bootstrap grid system inside web forms, an essential skill for every developer. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful ASP NET and SQL Academy tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to share it with fellow developers.